What if I told you your plate could hold the secret to fighting diseases? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why vegetables are your health shield. Leafy greens, like spinach, are power-packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help combat harmful molecules known as free radicals. Carrots are not just for your eyes, they boost the immune system too. They're rich in beta-carotene, a crucial vitamin for immune function. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, known to reduce cancer risk. This wonder compound combats cancerous cells effectively. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, enhances white blood cell production. These cells are warriors, defending against colds and infections. Bell peppers are citrus rivals with their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C strengthens the immune and reduces inflammation significantly. Don't just eat veggies, make them the star of your meals. Hit the like button if you found this useful.